Hello class, this is Algebra 1, topic 4-5, on multiplying monomials and polynomials. This lesson is just a review over stuff that we've already covered. So I've got a couple of polynomials, so I'm going to use the box method to multiply these. I have b minus 4 and b plus 6. Well, b times b make b squared. B times negative 4 make negative 4b. B times 6 make 6b. And 6 times 4 is 1224, negative 24. So that gives me b squared, 6b minus 4b makes a positive 2b minus 24. Now if you notice, I didn't write them all out like I was doing the last lesson. I went ahead and combined here in the box. 6 minus 4 gave me 2. Let's do this again for number 2. Make my box just a little bit bigger so it's easier to read. D plus 2, D minus 5. Well, D and D give me D squared. D and 2 give me 2D. D and negative 5 give me negative 5D. And negative 5 and 2 give me a negative 10. So I get the D squared. 2 minus 5 is a negative 3D. Minus 10. That's all there is to it. Now if we look at number 3, here we have a monomial times a polynomial. And we can do the box method on this. I can do 3r times r squared minus 2r plus 4. 3r times r makes 3r to the third. 3r times negative 2 make negative 6r squared. 3 times 4 make 12r. Or I could do the distributive property. 3r times r makes 3r squared. 3r times negative 2 make negative 6r squared. This should be to the third because 1 and 2 make 3. 3 and 4 make 12r. Either method is correct, whether you want to do the box or you want to distribute. Now let's take a look at number 4. Number 4, I have two monomials. Because they're monomials, the box method really doesn't help me. Do negative 4 times 5 gives me a negative 20. C cubed times C give me C to the fourth. And D times D give me D squared. Okay. Again, I don't want to get this confused with distribution. The 3r is multiplied times everything in the parentheses, where 3r times r gives me 3r cubed, and 3r times 2r gives me 3 times 2 is 6, r times r gives me r squared. This is just two monomials. Let's go ahead and take a look at number 5. Number 5, we're dealing only with monomials again, but notice this one's been raised to the exponent, so I need to apply this exponent first. So the 7 remains unchanged, times 3 squared, x squared, and then y, 2 times 2 make 4. Remember, when you raise an exponent to an exponent, you need to multiply them. Okay? Well, 3 squared is 9, so 7 times 9, x squared y to the fourth. So we get 63 x squared y to the fourth. Moving on to number 6. Again, this is just a review. A cubed is the same as a cubed, so This is just like a plus a gives me 2a, and since they're cubed, the cube stays. Okay? They're exactly the same, so I am allowed to add them. Moving on to the next page. Here we're multiplying a cubed times a cubed. When you multiply, you add exponents. So that gives us a to the 6th. Now number 8, k squared and k, they are different. They are not the same. And so it remains unchanged. Okay? Remember, your variables have to look exactly the same. The numbers in front don't have to match, but these variables do. Now when multiply, it doesn't matter if your variables match, because what we're doing is we're adding exponents. If you don't see an exponent, the exponent is 1. So this gives us 2k to the 3rd. Back to the box method, because we've talked about the simple problems again. Let's go back to the ones that are a little bit more complex. We have our box method, 3x minus 2x minus 5. 3x times x makes 3x squared. 3x times negative 5, negative 15x. X and negative 2, negative 2x. Negative 5, negative 2 make a positive 10. So we get 3x squared. 15 minus 2, so we negative 17x. Plus 10. Just a simple box method. And number 11, more on the box method. This time we have a 2 by 3. So we have 2x minus 1, 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. This gives us 4x to the 3rd minus 2x squared minus 6x squared plus 3x plus 2x minus 1. We have similar terms again. So this gives us 4x to the 3rd minus 8x squared plus 5x minus 1. So there was nothing new in this unit. I didn't write out as much as I wrote on previous notes, but nothing new, just review. So hopefully this assignment should be easy, because hopefully you already understand how to do these. Good luck on that assignment, and have a good day.